I'm Andrew Porter from East Coast Yacht Sales. Welcome aboard Basic Knead, the 2021 Axopar 37. This is a wet bar model, 3 aft seats, the usual enclosed cabin, toilet compartment down below, and then the normal forward sleeping cabin. This boat is loaded with features. JPO Mercury joystick, air conditioning, 2 separate systems, Sionyx low light night vision camera, all the bells and whistles. We're going to go through a walkthrough tour. I'm going to show you some of the features of this boat. If you have questions about it, please give me a call or send me an email. Thanks. Starting out with the dock tour on the Axopar 37 wet bar version. Got the twin 300 Mercuries, the really nice swim platforms for easy boarding from the dock and for swimming. A couple of cool features on the aft deck. You've got the wet bar here, push button on the side, and that gives you a sink to port and a 12-volt fridge, drink storage, and you've got some nice storage underneath. You've also got these huge storage compartments under the sole. I could get in there and lie down. I mean, it's a massive, massive storage compartment. You've got the bait well over here, which is a cool upgrade on this boat. You've got the clear plastic, so you can fill that up with water. You could probably also use that as a cooler. It would be pretty awesome. Fill it up with ice. And then the 3 flip down chairs for some additional seating. And then over on the port side, you've got a new another fender box, line storage, fenders, freshwater shower, and a manual bilge pump over here. A nice feature of this boat is the Deck-It soft vinyl decking, including this really nice compass rose on the wet bar. It's really soft underfoot, comfortable to walk on, easy to maintain and keep clean. It's really nice stuff. Fishing rod holders, electronics, which you've got the Simrad radar, the remote controlled searchlight, got a horn up there, and then up on the bow or the front of the hardtop, you've got the Sionyx night vision camera. Taking a peek into the cabin, there's the helm, driver's seat and companion seat, and the bench back aft. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. Looking forward up the side decks, the stainless steel ultra anchor in a bow roller. And right in here, you've got the locker accessing the windlass control, some nice storage, fenders, covers, dock lines. There's also your water fill up here. Here's the extended sunbed, which gives you this nice locker here. Just some storage, cleaning supplies and whatnot, but really nice hangout spot up on the bow, whether you're underway or just relaxing. There's a look into the forward cabin through the really nice big windows that give lots of light, a sense of space in there. Down the side decks, we've got the roof racks on Basic Knead. We've got a stand-up paddleboard up there, and then accessory racks over here. And there's the electronics antenna, and then of course the Sionyx night vision low light camera up front. Stepping into the cabin on the Axopar 37. Got this ergonomic helm, everything right at your fingertips. You've got the Mercury joystick JPO with the sky hook. Got all your navigational electronics. Everything at your fingertips. And the best part of the Axopar, I close this cabin door and I am inside. I've got the AC running right now. It's cool and comfortable in here. And if it's a nasty day out or everyone's tired of being in the sun and the wind, you close this boat up and you are inside. And then all of a sudden, with the push of this button, I open the sun top, the sunroof, and all of a sudden, now we're outside. We've got air, we've got wind in our hair, we've got sun. Slide open the doors, and you're as outside as you want to be. And then let's go below to the forward cabin. Push of a button, that raises up. Basic Knead has the enclosed toilet compartment, so you have a little bit more of a bathroom, so to speak, with a privacy door. Electric freshwater flush toilet, and you've also got your electrical distribution panel. And moving forward into the forward cabin, you've got a full double bed, 2 settees, nice changing space, lots of light coming in from those overheads. Also have air conditioning on a separate unit up here in the forward cabin. So you've got comfortable sleeping no matter what the weather. That's the walkthrough tour on the 2021 Axopar 37. If you have any questions about this boat, please send me an email or give me a call. My information is below this video.